Since 1986, Cadexair has been offering the best commercial kitchen exhaust system cleaning services in Quebec and Ontario. Our trained and experienced cleaning crews use specialized equipment and methods that meet the NFPA96 international standard. Cadexair is a proud member of IKECA, the international trade association that requires all commercial kitchen ventilation systems to meet NFPA96 standards to be inspected and cleaned by certified individuals and organizations. The Cadexair team must therefore renew annually their skills certificate following continuous education and rigorous examinations. We offer you services that strictly follow the applicable standards according to your cooking equipment and activities with a flexible schedule to match your availability. Check the status of your jobs with your private online access with before and after pictures. Cadexair serves several important clients from food fairs to highly secured establishments. Thousands of professional kitchens all over the province of Quebec have opted for the Cadexair experience. Join our satisfied customers and contact our team for a free quote. Inspection, technical support and services, cleaning, equipment sales. Cadexair, expertise and innovation.